molweni namkelekile nonke back to Ezichisabe Entertainment. I don't even know why I'm smiling, guys. Oh, bawo. What is Utarum doing to me? I understand to you guys, but to me specifically, ndizotyantoni sana. What will I eat now that Uthando Nesthembu is coming to an end? But before we get into the bad news, let's start off with the good news. I think they are gooder. A little bit good news, I understand. So as sonke ke siyazi into ba Uthando Nesthembu is only left with 2 episodes, guys. Literally 2 episodes left. A1 is odlala Wednesday as per the usual, and the other one will play on Thursday. However, Mzansi Magic is doing all of us a favor by extending ixesha ke le show. Bazodlala for 1 hour. Wednesday 1 hour, Thursday 1 hour. So that is 2 hours of Umzumbe and their drama. So at least corner indo aba senzeleyo. And I'll try and split up those episodes to 4 episodes if I can, because sana I am really devastated. Izingane zesithembu, according to Abongwe. Well, she did not say they are not coming back, but when people are asking her on TikTok, itini into Standa Sami, are you guys shooting a new season? She responded by saying, no, we are not shooting. So, asiyaz nobake azbuyi ngoku, maybe zobuya later on, but I highly doubt zobuya guys, because yeah. Nangu no Londi London usimele apha. So Londi London will be taking over the slot of Uthando Nesthembu. Now I did see a lot of people commenting after shared indoba Londi London will be taking a slot at Uthando Nesthembu. A lot of people were giving Mzansi Magic advices saying that they don't want Uthando Nesthembu to come to an end. But at the same time, they are saying, you know what, Londi London, because you've worked so hard, you've shot all the episodes for your reality TV show, Life with Ulondi. We are not going to let you down, baby girl. Here's some of the channels or some of the platforms you can use to air out your own reality TV show instead of taking Isloti Kesasem Zumbe. One person here is saying Ulondi must be a vlog, or on her Instagram. I cannot live without them Zumbe Kardashians. Can they put Ulondi London's can they put Londi's show Komoja Love? Upabalo dai uthi I love Ulondi, but yo sana kukhona othe Ulondi simcelela ayeke ku Z World. Another person came forward to share that. How about Ulondi Landani mhlambi avule a YouTube channel whereby she will be posting all her episodes. Yo guys, I'm sure Londi, after reading some of these comments, she was really devastated. But this is how people are feeling, that Udarum Selegu and his family, they are leaving and making a way for Ulondi London. Kukhona genabati, maybe she could move to channel 100. Okanye asiwe ku SABC1, but the Mselegos are on demand. I did see sometime last year, guys, abantu babekhala ngezingane zesithembu besithi azina drama, but for a change, they are saying we would rather have Izingane Zesithembu than to have Ulondi London. I think also it's because of Mhlambi Ithemba Loba. If we do have Izingane Zesithembu, sometimes the parents nabo bayazifaka. For example, uMakhumalo nentokampilo Mhlambi bizoqhubeka, we understand that uSinemselegu unomntana omtsha, Amahle has a new baby, Ulwandle has a child. Like there's so much to unpack, you guys. So I understand the frustration of the people why they are saying we'd rather have Izingane Zesithembu ininzi i-content abangayishuta, you guys. So yeah, ihambe kanjalo ke indaba yabantu, or how people feel about the fact that Uthando Nesthembu is coming to an end. Guys, I would like to hear what your thoughts are on this one. Banina nithini ngalendaba down on my comment section. So also I did see Usinemselegu naye uya trend ngokwakhe. Recently she did join uLwandle Nkulu ke on stage ecula, as well as Utirelo. It was Utirelo first, then came kwase kujoina ke Usinemselegu on stage ecula lika ecula iculo lika Lwandlunkulu Umnakwethu. And for a change, guys, abantu bayam encourage Usine. They are saying they love the fact that she is currently doing something about get impilo yakhe, and they are hoping and praying that umhlawumbi her being on stage noLwandlunkulu will be opening more doors for her, so that naye azokwazi ukuzenzela imali ekungeyakhe ecaleni and not solely depend on uMacele for ukondla abantwana bakhe. Siyamazi into yoba Usine unabantwana abayi-3 currently, you understand, and so therefore people are vouching for her. Currently people are vouching for a new life yakhe. There were those people that were like, we are judging you, Sneh. Umntanakho is way too young for you to be outside. Also, there is a page lomntana kaSneke elivuliweyo. It's currently on 30,000 followers currently, and uThando simbonile ke a babysitter. So abantu, there were some people that were saying uSneh Mseleku njengoba ekwazi ukuba nabantu abamhlalela nomntanakhe at such a tender age, because umntanakhe akakawuhlanganisi nokuhlanganisa unyaka uyolanda omunye. Probably the next season of Uthando Nesithembu uzothi baba ngakhulelwa ngalesi sikhathi ngisestage noLwandlunkulu, because obviously Uthando, which is her first born daughter, umhlalela nomntana wakhe wali yena esenza njani eGalavante. So that is why people are saying, we are hoping and praying that Galavante free of charge, you are getting something out of it, and that uhlabile. If awuhlabanga ufake i-implant, but ikhona into omawuyenze between the two. Some were even going as far as feeling sorry for Usamkelo, because obviously le video lena Uthando and sister yakhe encane is currently trending on TikTok, saying how will Usamkelo feel if ubona siblings zakhe being accepted by uMacele and uTata Mseleku. Meanwhile yena, he is not welcomed uba aze azohlala kwaMseleku. Usine Mseleku sabona, I think kwakuzingane zesithembu or Uthando Nesithembu, I don't remember which show it was, but uSamkelo kwakufuneke abonelwe emgaqweni ngubani, ngusine wakhe ekungumamakhe, because the father's side of the family did not appreciate cameras, and Usine umbona kancinci umntana wakhe, because uyatsho into yoba akamfuni nokumbona apho ahambe khona uTata Mseleku Usamkelo. So it's really like kuningi guys. You see why we need izingane zesithembu right now. That is also another content, you understand. So yeah guys, again nanzo ke into etrendayo currently, Usine and Thando Nesithembu versus Londi Landani, guys. Right now there's on Shia here. Please do let me know what your thoughts are on these trending topics down on the comment section. Please engage me, and on Mona shortly. Bye guys.